common belief. Microwaving food kills nutrients and is unsafe. Actual science, microwaving actually preserves more nutrients than boiling or frying because it cooks faster and uses less water. When you boil spinach or dal, folate gets lost in the water. But in the microwave, you use less water, less time, so more nutrients stay in your food. And no, microwaves don't make your food radioactive. They simply make water molecules vibrate to create heat, that's it. So yes, reheating your rajma in the microwave, totally safe. It's all about nutrition that fits your plate and your life. Thank you.